Oh, yes. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to go straight to the point and say it the way I saw it, the way I read about it on the internet, the way people told me, the way the news, the information, the stories were delivered to me. It's time to say it. It's time again, never to beat around the bush, never to beat around the bush, but to say it. I saw something about NDEBELE people and Shona people. NDEBELE people and Shona people. I saw something. As the Shona people, we don't have like a traditional clothing or traditional attire. We don't have. But the NDEBELE people have got traditional clothing or traditional attire. And I don't know what is the problem. Shona people, we don't have traditional attire. Shona people or the Shona tribe, we don't have traditional clothing, traditional attire. I don't know what the problem. But as for the NDEBELE people and NDEBELE people, they have their own traditional attire, they have their own traditional clothing. Whenever they are observing their traditional ceremonies, they put on their traditional attire, they put on their traditional clothing. I've been very concerned. I've been very concerned about this one for a long time. What is the problem? Why Shona people, we don't have traditional attire? What is the problem? Why Shona people as a tribe in this country, in this nation, we don't have traditional clothing? As we observe our traditional ceremonies, observe our traditions, respect our ceremonies, we don't have our own traditional attire, clothing. Why? I'm so worried. I've been concerned for a long time. Since I was born, I've never seen a traditional attire for Shona people or traditional clothing for Shona people. I've never seen it since I was born. But as for the NDEBELE people, I've seen a lot of photos on the internet. Even some of the people, physically, I've seen them wearing their traditional attire, wearing their traditional clothing. And I've been very much excited, very much happy, like what? This is very good. It suits them so well. It fits them so well. Please, Shona people who are viewing my videos, watching my videos, Shona people, what is the problem? Why we don't have a traditional attire? What is the problem? What's happening? Why we don't have traditional attire? Why we don't have traditional clothing? What is the problem? Shona people, everyone who is watching my videos, comment in the comment section. What is the problem? I want to know. Because like I said, since I was born, I've never seen a Shona traditional attire or traditional clothing since ever I was born by my mother. What is the problem? What is the problem? Other cultures. I was in South Africa for many years. In South Africa for many years. I saw the Zulu got their own traditional attire. The people got their own traditional attire. You talk of Sutu, Swati, you talk of Xhosa people. Where's the Xhosa people in Eastern Cape Province? They have their own traditional attire, their own traditional clothing. Very good, very nice, so perfect. But the Shona people, Tina, we don't have. The NDEBELEs from Matebele province, Matebele region, they have their own traditional attire. Why Shona people, Shona tribe, we don't have our own? We are never seen having our own or wearing our own clothing. Why? What's wrong with us? What happened back there in history? What happened? What is the problem? I've never seen one Shona or nobody, a Shona person can point to say this is our attire, this is our clothing. Traditionally speaking, nobody, not even one, can point and say this is our traditional attire, this is our traditional clothing. No one Shona person can do that. A Shona man or Shona woman can do that. Not even one. Why? Other tribes have got their own attires, they have their own clothing. I spoke about the Zulu in South Africa. I spoke about the Pedi in South Africa, Sotho in South Africa, Swati in South Africa, Venda people in South Africa, They have their own traditional attire. What's wrong with the Shona people? If you compare that with other tribes, we are lagging behind, or we are so far behind. We don't have our own identity in terms of traditional clothing. We don't have our own identity in terms of traditional attire. I've realized this, or I've observed this for a long time, since time immemorial, for a long time. Shona people, please, if you're watching this video, you're on my channel and they're seeing this video, please comment what the reason why we don't have our own attire, our own clothing. Traditionally speaking, I know Shona, we got our own tradition, our own customs, our own beliefs as a tribe, Okay, fine. But where the attire to give us the identity, where the traditional clothing to give us such kind of an identity? Where is it? Where is it? Ask your mothers, ask your fathers, ask your elders, Shona elders, Shona mothers, Shona fathers, Shona grandfathers, Shona grandmothers. Ask them, where is the attire, where is the clothing for us as Shona people in this country, in this nation? We are beaten by other tribes in this regard, in this respect. We are beaten by other tribes. We don't have our own. We don't have an identity. As far as tradition is concerned, we don't have our own identity in terms of traditional clothing, in terms of traditional attire. I hope you know what I'm saying, and I hope you understand what I'm saying. Please comment. Please comment. I appreciate, I love, and I cherish Ndebele people. They have their own attire, they have their own clothing. Thumbs up to Ndebele people in Matebeleland province, Matebeleland region, in Kwabulawa, in Bulawai. I've seen a lot of photos on the internet, even physically. Some of the people, I've seen them wearing that traditional clothing, and it's so beautiful. It gives them an identity, traditionally speaking. It gives them an identity as they observe and respect and pay homage to their traditional ceremonies, Ndebele traditions, Ndebele customs, Ndebele beliefs as a tribe. And that's very good for them. I'm so happy for them. But on the other side, come to Shona people, we don't have. We have nothing, zero. We have nothing. In conclusion, to recap, this is the question from me in this video. Shona people, if you are seeing this video, watching this video, if you are browsing through this video, where is our attire? Where is our clothing? Traditional attire, traditional clothing, where is it? As Shona people, to give us an identity, a traditional identity as a tribe, since we are a stand-alone or separate tribe in this Africa, in this country, Zimbabwe. Where is our traditional attire? Where is our traditional clothing? Comment in the comment section. I want to know your answer, your response to this my question. And I'm very much concerned. I'm very much worried for a long time, because I've been pondering and thinking about this for a long time. This is the video coming to you. What do you say? What do you say? I'm done talking. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Sharp.